Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Roblox how to stop joining friends. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to stop friends from joining your Roblox server. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, type roblox.com, and log into your account. Once you're in, click the gear icon at the top right corner, select Settings. On the left panel, click Privacy. Scroll down until you find Visibility and Private Server Settings. By default, both might be set to Friends, meaning your friends can automatically join your game sessions. To stop that, simply change both options to No One. This ensures that no one, including your friends, can join your private servers automatically. That's it. You successfully made your Roblox server completely private. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.